Hello there everyone, and welcome back to Speyside High School. I'm sorry that it's taken so long to get a message to all of you, but you know we're all working in a new way at the moment. I am absolutely delighted that we are all back in school together again, but I understand the difficulties and the worries that causes for everybody. Can I just offer you a couple of reminders around about our new way of working, and then I'll move on to some positive things that are happening in the school. Please make sure you do not come into school with the symptoms that are well advertised, and you continuous cough, feeling feverish, or losing your sense of taste and smell. You should not be coming into school with any of those symptoms. I can also remind you of the hand sanitising in and out of buildings and in and out of the classrooms, and maintaining the one-way system. Something that's really important along with this is that there cannot be any physical contact between any of you, and that means no play fighting, no spraying bottles of juice, etc. at breaks and lunch times. Now, even in ordinary times that's not good, but particularly at this moment we really cannot have that happening at breaks and lunch times. Can I, however, thank you all for the positive way in which you have come back to school, and where most of you, if not nearly all of you, have followed the new rules and regulations and managed them really well, and I'm absolutely delighted with that. Can I also say a very special warm welcome to our new first years, who really have managed coming to a new school totally without any real transition in the school in such a positive and mature way, and it's a delight to see you all in school. Can I also mention the fire drill and thank you for the good way and the good manner in which that was carried out. A couple of little glitches, but that's okay, we'll get them sorted. But can I remind you that you need to be standing in single lines in your own class and not moving about at that time. You'll be aware this morning that there has been another announcement, and that's one of the things with our new normal, is that things change very quickly. I know a number of you will be aware that there's been a big conversation going on about the use of face masks, face coverings in school. And I know that John Swinney, our Education Secretary, has announced today that in secondary schools those will be mandatory in social areas, communal areas, as of Monday the 31st of August. Now, I have no more details about that at this moment, but we will be sharing as much information with yourselves and your parents and carers to ensure that they have all the information they require to manage that also. Finally, I just want to say I hope you're happy to be back in school, and I hope that you're managing being in school successfully. Please remember that there are lots of people around school who are here to help you. All of your teachers, all of your guidance teachers and all of SLT are really here to support you, and if you're worrying about anything, please speak to someone quickly. So really, that's everything I want to say for now. This is my first attempt at something like this, and I have to say I have been very nervous, and a big thank you to Mr. Campbell for calming my nerves. So like yourselves, I'm doing lots of new things at the moment that don't necessarily come naturally to me. So we all have things to learn. Take care everyone, and I will be in touch with you all again as soon as I can. Thank you.